Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can speed up your computer quickly. So first what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up start menu, you're gonna go into settings, you're gonna search power here, you're gonna click on choose a power plan, then you're gonna click on high performance, you're gonna come right here on change plan settings, click on change advanced power settings. Then you're gonna scroll down to the bottom. You're gonna click here, this to 0%. And you're gonna set this to 0%. And you're gonna set this to 100. And that is it. And that is it. Now for step 2, you're gonna open up your computer. You're gonna right click here. You're gonna click change settings on here. Then you're gonna go into the advanced tab. And then you're gonna click on settings here and just select adjust for best performance here. And the third trick is you're gonna open up your start menu and you're gonna write defragment and optimize drives. You're gonna click here and you're gonna click on your hard drives and you're gonna click on analyze. It will take some time, but it's a must do, and it will fasten up your computer by a large margin. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.